Let's transition into that then, because that's kind of my area. I kind of focus on more on the finance side, and of course, I talk about Bitcoin all the time. And then kind of what you're talking about is like central bank digital currencies. And central bank digital currencies will be the ultimate tool for control, behavioral modification, total surveillance, all those things. And of course, they want that. Why wouldn't they? But then we have Bitcoin, which is the opposite, which of course they wouldn't want. Constitutionally speaking, is there anything that protects our right to use whatever we want as a form of money or barter or exchange? So, for example, hey, Robert, that's a great painting or picture you have in the back. Let me build you a website for that. And that would be my labor. I mean, there's no law against me giving you my labor. Or, hey, I have this this custom signed water bottle. Would you trade me? Right. So it's like almost like I could use whatever I want as money. And if I wanted to use Bitcoin as money or fine art as money. So is there anything constitutionally that protects that?
There should be. The problem is the courts have been very reluctant in that space to defend people's rights, whether it's the seizure of gold in 1934. I mean, my family ancestry goes all the way back to Rhode Island. We were trying to still print our own currency and opposing the Constitution because it didn't have a Bill of Rights attached to it yet. And then they sent in the army, so that's how that got resolved.
Yeah.
So, in my view, there's limitations on the state's ability to control the issuance of currency, what tender people choose to use as barters of exchange. And so I don't think the Constitution entitles the government to monopolize that, but courts have been an uphill battle in fighting that in the US. So I think you're legally constitutionally entitled to it, but it would be an uphill battle with their current court system.